What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to upload a video that is longer than 15 minutes on your YouTube channel. Now, if you're just starting out on YouTube, this may be a confusing barrier for you as you try to upload some of your first few videos and you upload one that is longer than 15 minutes and YouTube does not allow you to do so. It might be kind of confusing, but all you need to do in order to fix this is to verify your phone number. So in order to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click your profile picture in the upper right hand corner once you're on the YouTube home screen. And once you're at this menu here, about 3 options down, you're going to click on YouTube Studio. It's going to take you to the YouTube Studio if you've never been there before. It is a very helpful tool for getting your YouTube videos out to your audience. And once you're on this screen here, all the way second to last on the bottom, towards the right menu there, you are going to see an option for settings. You are just going to go to that one. Then once you click on settings, it's going to take you to this menu here. And what you're going to do is hit the option second down on the left tab there to go to channel. And then the 3 tabs at the top of the screen there, the one all the way on the right, click feature eligibility. And then you can see at the bottom there, features that require phone number. Now I am verified, but if you're not, it's going to come up with a prompt there where you can easily just be able to verify your phone number through this prompt here. And you will be able to upload videos longer than 15 minutes, live stream, have custom thumbnails, and you will be all set with YouTube once you get your phone number verified. That's pretty much all there is to it though. If you have any questions or were confused on how this works, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.